All right, are we live? Can you guys hear me okay? Let's see what we got in there, what we got going on. What's up, Silver, my man? I always appreciate that. XRP Army, he says. We got 6 people here. No idea how many people is going to show up. What is today, Saturday? I don't even know what time, what day it is. Oh, it is Saturday. Wow. But yeah, 3 o'clock on a Saturday. We'll see what happens. Always follow this man's advice. Silver says smash the likes and subscribe. I appreciate that. What's it, Ibrahim? OMG coin? What is that? What's up, Slava, my man? How you doing? What's up, Vape XCN? I don't think any coin's doing anything. NASDAQ and S&P topped. I hope it's just a correction. He says XRP, SUKU, XCN, and Sol. OMG coin. Let me see. I don't know what OMG coin is. What are we looking at? Let's get this to a bigger screen. XCN says vape. Yeah, did you guys see the breaking news? Breaking news. Trump orders large-scale military strikes against Yemen. Yemen's Houthis. Is that going to be bearish for us? All right, let's just jump into this because I don't know how long we're going to stream for. We're looking at JASMY. OMG coin. I don't know what that's on. OMG. Maybe you're talking about a deck screener coin or OMG network. Is that what you're talking about? Never heard of it, and it's apparently old. I mean, not a bad chart. It's down at the bottom. Yeah, we only got 6 people in here. 4 over on Twitter, so not too bad, I guess. 10 people altogether. We'll see what happens. He says JASMY's probably dead. I don't know. If it goes any lower than it is, then it's going to break macro support. It's right there. I just did an update on it on the channel, so it's got to be the bottom or we're never going up. Never going up. Yeah, if this is what you're talking about, OMG network, I mean, it's down at the bottom. There's nothing really bullish on the overall chart besides possibly double bottom with the higher low here, but hopefully this is the right coin. But this could be it. I mean, double bottom is what you want to see. 140% move to the 236 at 57 to confirm the bottom. And then if we zoom in, that's monthly candles, by the way. Let's zoom in. And OMG network. Yeah, I mean, you dipped below, but you're above the 786 final support, so maybe that was it. So this one doesn't look bad. I don't know what this is, but possible bottom is in. Time to go up. As long as you stay above that 786 price. Let me see. XCN, what's up, Shadow? He's lurking, he says. How you doing? What's up, Angel? What's up, YS? Says Arc Block. What's up, David? Velodrome. All right, let me get to XCN. What's up, David? Wait, what are we looking at? Yeah, XCN. I haven't looked at it. Did I look at it today? I don't remember. I think I did. XCN is doing nothing. It's in the same boat it's been in for weeks now. And there's so many coins doing this same exact thing here. So we're going to see what's going to happen in the market. But like I said, if they're doing a big military strike, I don't know if that's going to affect the markets or not. I mean, it's trying here, but clearly it's still getting stuck right at this downtrend. So I'm still expecting, unless you can get over a penny and a half on XCN, just keep it that simple. If you can break to the top, get over a penny and a half and stay there, and then eventually get back over 2 pennies, then you're in shape. But I would have to say this green box is probably going to get tagged low to the high 382, so you may still drop 26% before the bottom is in. Like I said, unless you can get over those prices. I think someone said SUI. What the hell is SUI doing? The bottom end on SUI. Yeah, I mean, the overall SUI chart is bullish. I mean, it's just making higher highs and higher lows. Could it go lower than it is? Of course. But you are holding. I don't know why I did that. Hold on. You are holding. What the hell did I do? You are holding the previous high. Wicked above it here, but you're holding this area, so could very well be the end for the bottom on SUI here. And then, of course, we'll just do it simple. We'll go from the most recent low to the high. Yeah, you tagged a 382 in the previous high, so it's in a bullish spot right now. As long as you're over $2 on SUI, this thing should get a nice bounce back up. And clearly has to get over 3.4 and then 570 there. And then SUI, 50 billion market cap to 17 would give you a 7.5x. I don't know where this thing's going. 12x to 31, and then $60 SUI. If that's possible, that's where you get a 25x. But like I said, the overall macro chart doesn't look bad at all. And it looks like the bottom is in. Maybe I should go see if I can long SUI from here. Velo. Yeah, we'll just look at both Velos as we always do. I don't know why I did that. Oh, Velo's bouncing. Yeah, arc block. What you think about Velodrome? We're looking at that now. What's up, Lord Zero? Cool. All right, let's get through these. Like I said, I don't know how long we're going to be on here today, but we got 37 people all together. I appreciate you guys watching and listening over on X, Twitter. But yeah, I mean, we looked at this, I think, yesterday or the day before. And she's bouncing, so it hit the bottom of the... It hit the trend line here on the rising wedge pattern, so this thing may be going and heading for the 0.5 at 4.6. Damn. I've been so busy lately, I'm missing out on coins here that I could be logging and stuff. Where is our Velodrome chart? Velodrome. Man, there's nothing bullish on Velodrome at all. This thing looks dead. Once it broke the trend, it broke support. The only good thing is you're above the 236 here. The final macro support to confirm a bottom is in, but you're getting stuck right at the low to the high 786 here. I mean, just perfectly on the candle. So unless you can get over 5.3, this thing's probably going to fall down again. It's getting stuck and it's just going to fall off the table next, all the way back down to the low. So right now on Velodrome, you run the risk of dropping 45%. But yeah, I mean, if you're bullish on Velodrome, I mean, you're getting some discount prices here, but there's nothing bullish on this chart at all. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Polyswarm. Oh yeah, arc block. I think ArcBlock and PNG, all those coins that ran, I don't know what they're doing actually. I don't believe any of them are bullish anymore at all. Yeah, there's nothing bullish about ArcBlock. I mean, you can be bullish on the project all you want that it's going to go up, but the chart kind of says something different. This thing ran since October of 2023, and now you're making lower lows and lower highs. So there's just absolutely nothing bullish. You're down below, low to the high 382 now. You're getting stuck at it. You're getting stuck at the 786. So unless you can get over 90 to 93, this thing's not bullish anymore. So your next support on ArcBlock for this thing to come down is a 30 to about almost a 40% drop, all the way down to 50. Unless you can get back over that price there, get it back over the 382. There's nothing really else to say. Just completely bearish market structure. Excuse me. Polyswarm, what's up, Joe? How you doing, my man? What's up, Bill Showtime? He says hit the like button. Joe says, what'd you say? I'll hook you up when I can, homie. Oh, we got Wyatt back in the house. Smash the like button. What's up, man? You ain't been here in a while. What's up, Jim? Got an oldie but a goodie. BSV. Yeah, I forgot about BSV. All right, we did ArcBlock, Polyswarm real quick. NCT. In NCT, one of the coins still holding up. Yeah. So this chart still looks good. Polyswarm. Possible bottom is in. I mean, we could adjust this. It could still probably come down, but we could adjust this. Nah, I guess we'll leave it there. Yeah, because you're getting stuck right at the 382. So as long as you're below 2.1, that puts in play the trend line here. So it's probably going to drop down here to 1.7. So I would look for another 15% drop down on Polyswarm, unless for some reason you get over 2 and 2.5. But overall, it's still holding up higher highs and higher lows. Bullish back over 382.618. So once you get back over about 4.5, you can be bullish on Polyswarm again. But depends on where you think Polyswarm is going to go. Is it going to hit $1 billion market cap and do a 20x? Maybe. Maybe a 50-cent Polyswarm. Oh, man. Carrot's probably dead. Carrot. Yeah. Man, Carrot looks horrible. Once it started dying, it just died. Let's see. What are we on? 3-day? I mean, until you form some kind of a clear bottom, I wouldn't touch Carrot. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I mean, all we can do is this. You have to get back over, as of right now, pretty much 15 cents to have any form of life. Back over this support, now resistance, and that's your price to beat. But yeah, there's nothing bullish on Carrot here. If this is the bottom, you got to get over 15 and then about 23, I mean, to be bullish. BSV. I don't even know if we have a chart for this one. BSV, USD. Where can you even buy this at? Let's see what's going on the monthly. let me change this song. Can you guys hear everything okay? Let's see. He says, what are you up to, Undead? The project is mainly crowdsourced. Alright, I didn't know that. Yeah, there's a lot of people still holding JASMY, and I mean, the bottom's got to be in on JASMY, or it may come down a lot more. But yeah, Slava, I'm not going to stream long because I'm about to go take my boys fishing, so. And we've only been on here for 16 minutes. It feels longer. But yeah, that's my plan. RSR, let's finish looking at this coin real quick. BSV. Yeah, I mean, if anyone's going to buy this coin, but you're down below the 236, so the bottom's not in. These are monthly candles, by the way. Not the best looking chart. Low to the high. You're getting stuck below double 618, 236 here. So unless you can get back over about 40 on this one, then, which, you know, it's holding the same level here, so it could be the bottom. But it has to get back over 40. But if this one, yeah, I don't know where this one's going. Older coin. Can it do a 7x to 240? Yeah, if I bought this coin, I would probably get out the 618 and maybe the 786, get my little 4 to 7x and get out. There's no guarantee it's going to hit a new high at the 1272. I don't even know if anyone remembers this coin. That would be a 34x though. Perfect sound. Oh yeah, RSR. Hold on, let me get a drink. RSR, he says, are you still working? Are you talking to me? I'm not working yet. I've only been down here, how long has it been? 2 weeks since I've been here? Back down south. RSR. I mean, yeah, she's curling up. She just tagged the 236, 618 low to the high, so that's not a bad spot. You're clearly holding the trend. You're clearly curling up here. So it looks good off of the bounce as long as you stay over 004. I would say the bottom is in. You have to get back over pretty much the double 382 to be bullish here. Well, of course, but so 008 to 009, and then you're good to go. But it looks like the bottom is in here. I don't know, is the bottom in on the market now? There's a lot of things bouncing down at the bottom. And bull run confirmed once you get over to 618. And if this one's going to hit a new high, I have no idea. Up to around 40 cents would be a 64x. But if you can just get to the 786 here in 2025, then you're looking at about an 8x. But yeah, I mean, it looks like the bottom is in on RSR here, unless the market dies. Did I miss a super chat? What's going on here? Okay, we did RSR. We got Bitcoin Bajan for 10. I appreciate that. What does he say? Hey man, love your stream. Can we look at Augur? Rep V2, potential top. Someone told me 250 this cycle at 85 cents now. All right, I appreciate the 10. Augur. I don't know if we've ever looked at Augur on here. Oh, rep, that's the ticker. Augur. Oh yeah, you said rep v2. Let me see. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, it's at 85 cents, you said. All right, I guess this. So it's only on Kraken. What did they relaunch the coin? Second version. All right, I guess this is it. Augur. What'd you say? Someone said $250 this cycle. Let's see. Let's see if that's even possible. But I appreciate the 10. What's up, Bob? He says BTC has bullish divergence on the weekly. Yeah, maybe we're about to go up finally. All right, what are we looking at? Augur here. Let's see if the bottom is in on Augur. Maybe, but it's probably going to get stuck here. We'll see what happens. You have to stay over. Yeah, you need to stay over with this weekly candle over 83. Let's see. Yeah, all these monthly candles have been closing below, so you need to get back over this with a monthly. You really need a monthly candle to close over, and maybe that'll confirm the bottom is in. And then your question is, can it hit from 86 cents now to $250? Let's see what kind of damage you could do. I don't know anything about this coin. Depends on where you can buy it and if people are going to buy it. 786 retracement to 18 would give you 21x. The official target for a new high, the 1272, is 270. That's a massive move, so I would probably say no. If Augur does a 300x, then we have a massive bull run in store. But yeah, I mean, it's there. 270's on the screen. But you just got to ask yourself, is it going to 300x? Bargain Bandit, what's going on? Redstone. Redstone is flying. Never heard of it. How is it the new chain link when I've never heard of it? What's up, David? You had to take a break from the market. I know it's pretty brutal. Pretty brutal. I don't know what Redstone is. Redstone, the new chain link. Let's see. Oh, this thing's brand new. Can't even do anything with it. It's brand new. And I'm never going to buy a brand new coin anymore. But it looks like you're about to get stuck at the 618, and if you can't get over 90, then you're done. But I can't really do anything with this. If it goes up and hits a new high, $2 is your target. Oh, is this really a new Coinbase coin? Redstone. Now she's clearly pumping right now, but I think we've learned here on the channel, don't chase these coins on Coinbase. Lost half my money with Res. It was unfortunate. But if you can't get over 90, then it's done. But if you can get over 90, it'll probably shoot up to 2. XPR network. Yeah, I think XPR is no longer bullish either. We tried to be bullish on it, but I think it broke down. Maybe not. Maybe I'm mistaken. Oh yeah, we're trying to still be bullish on it, but you're below the 382. You have to get back over 004. But depending on what time frame you look at, I mean, it doesn't look horrible. It's trying to hold, but it at the same time, it's kind of breaking down here. So if you can get back over 4, you're in good shape. If not, she's going to drop down to 3. Clearly, once you get over 0044, 236 here, that'll be your breakout to the upside. So it's either or at the moment on XPR network. You can say that about everything. You're about to either move up 90%, or now that you're below the 382, you're about to drop 20%. You guys talking about Florida? You learned with me with Res. I keep learning the same lesson every time. It's ridiculous. XLM looks like a safe play, as there's other than BTC. I don't know what that means, but XLM, Stellar Lumens. Yeah, a lot of coins are doing the same thing where they had strong moves and now we're just going down and sideways. So we really need the bottom to be put in. You can clearly see 786 is getting hit. Zoom out to the monthly, and you can clearly see this large triangle pattern is in play. It came up, hit it again, and now it's coming down. So the big question is, I mean, off of these large green candles, are we in here somewhere and we're going to have another leg up very soon? Or are we coming all the way back down here up to the 382 at 10 and then going up in the future? But if it holds over the 618 and we get some sort of a bounce, you can clearly see strong move up, bull flag pattern. So it doesn't look horrible right now. But XLM new high, about a 9x to about 250. Like I said, if it holds up. He said he taught me don't chase green candles. I didn't teach anything. There's no financial advice, but I personally am never going to chase a green candle ever again. Well, I say that, but I think my only plan now to survive is once the market actually flips bullish, I'm going to chase something that's running already. I'm just going to jump on the rocket that's taken off. But that's only going to be when I know the market is going to the moon, if it ever does that. Buying nothing but junk silver. I got enough in Florida. Where'd you go, to Florida? Oh, it hit the 786 retracement on weekly. Did we look at everything? Sub silver, he says Zebek. I guess we'll look at that. Like I said, it's not going to be a long stream at all. Maybe an hour. Damn, we're only 30 minutes in. But yeah, the boys are waiting to go fishing. So, but I'm also waiting for the sun to go down a little bit. But yeah, we'll look at ZBCN. Oh, you came back on Wednesday. Yeah, I'm gonna plan a Florida trip this summer. Got to take my woman down to the beach. She loves Florida. Let's go, he says. ZBCN, LCX. Yeah, I just did an LCX update on the channel. But LCX, I don't know. I think LCX is a future hold. Because it may have macro double topped and she's done. If we don't ever go up, some of these coins, I mean, some people got lucky who bought these coins that ran in October of 2023, I guess. If you didn't buy then I don't know. ZBCN, Zebek Network. Oh yeah, this thing came all the way back down. Yeah, you guys be aware until the market is euphoric and people are actually, I mean, like a lot of coins are going to the moon. You just got to kind of watch, because we've seen so many coins right now pump. You think it's going to the moon, and they hit the 618, and it's over with. But we said that on here. We said it on XCN. We said it on this one. It's like, you better get out. And then everyone screams, no, we're still bullish. We're still bullish. We're still bullish. And it just keeps going down. So, I mean, you bounce back above the 236. So if you can stay over 3099, then you may have something. But it looks like it's going to wick and get stuck here. But it did come down all the way to the 786 again. So it has to be the bottom. It doesn't mean it has to go up, especially after that large drop. I mean, you could, if you start consolidating here, you get these little candles spawning in like this, and you're starting to think it's bullish, ZBEC's going to fall off the damn table. Bear flag. So we'll watch it and see what happens, but we'll see what kind of consolidation takes place. If it can't stay over 9.9. But yeah, she came all the way back down to where she came from. Excuse me. I mean, it's the start of it. It made a higher high finally, broke the lower high, so that's a good positive. And it made a higher low, so it's starting to curl up here on the macro. Maybe we will get another move up. Maybe it'll run all the way up to the 786 next time. So if she flips bullish again, just when it gets to 0024 in that area, that's when you get out, because she's going to come right back down. Got out of ZBEC before it crashed. Good. H-bar, chase that green candle on LCX. Yeah, I'm not going to buy anything unless it's either running or it's down at the bottom. All these coins, PNG, ArcBlock, I've made my decision. They may go up, let them go up without me, but coins that have already had a massive run like this and they're already, you know, wicked up above the 786, 618, I'm just not going to touch them. I want something at the bottom. I mean, so we'll see if this is it. But yeah, I just did an update on it. And really, just right now, you got to break the trend. You got to hold over 14, and you got to break back over 20. You got to break this downtrend that's in play. Get back over the 618 for any kind of hope. H-bar, Yeah, we'll probably end it here with H bar. My son already poked his head in the door. They're ready to go. But I'm trying to get things together to where I can do the evening streams and we can do it for 3, 4, 5 hours. Get back to the old routine like we used to be. Now that I'm getting settled in down here. You get back to those 4 to 6 hour streams. Get the revenue up on the channel. The revenue, man. Whew. I'm about to go work at McDonald's. I don't know what's happening. I need this market to move already. Yeah, H bar is doing the same thing. We tried to be bullish on it here, then it died, and now it's still dying. Your only hope on this one, low to the high, you're over 17. As long as you're over 17, you just broke the macro 618. It's resistance now at 20, so you clearly have to get back over 20 and then up to 23. But as long as you're over 17, you're still technically bullish on H bar. But the fact that you're getting stuck at the 618, if it's going to copy the rest of the market, you drop 12%, and if 17 gets taken out, then there's a good chance we're going to come all the way down here. Another coin that could drop 50%. Erase what it did, fill the gaps. But what can you do? And then depending on how low we go on H bar, I do like $2 on H bar, so I like this area up here. So I would say anywhere from $1, $1.25 for about a 6.5x, and maybe you get a 10x up to the $2 range. I think H bar is good. If it doesn't completely die, it's good for $2. Maybe higher. I don't know. He says great show today. Yeah, it was pretty. I think this is maybe the shortest live stream we've done. I don't know. Maybe I'll get back on later tonight after we're back from fishing. I don't know. We'll see. I got to start grinding harder. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. He said PNG below what? 11. If I haven't even looked at PNG. If PNG goes below 11, I'll just let you know real quick. See, you're afraid of what's going to happen. Yeah, we went over this last time. That's what this line is. Whenever you break the 382, it puts in play a 618 retracement, because that's your bounce point. Or else if you break it, that's your reversal. So this uptrend, this move up, if you come back down and you fall, you're not bullish below the 302, but if you fall below the 618, this trend up is officially over and it's done. So yeah, if it can't get back over 15 and it falls below 11, which it's not looking great because lower lows, very bearish market structure, then below 11 from where you are now is possible at the moment because of the market structure. Damn, you can drop 60% on this one. But also keep in mind, one last thing here. But yeah, like I said, everyone hit the like button. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I would love to stay on here longer, but like I said, I got to go take my boys. See if we can catch some fish. But you can clearly see if we draw a box here. There's a wick here. There's clearly some support and resistance in this area. So this very well could be it. And if you can get back over these prices, you're in good shape. All right, so that's it. Fishing in Galveston. Nah, we're going to a little lake around here. I think it's a stocked lake, so it's got a bunch of bass in it. XCN, yeah, we talked about it, but there's an update on the channel. It's doing nothing. I think it's still coming down. Final support 009, I believe. But yeah, I appreciate everyone over on Twitter tuning in, everyone here on YouTube tuning in, and answer the poll, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, or if not tonight. Peace out, everyone. Not financial advice.